Join your both legs. Adapt Namaskara Mudra. Take a deep inhalation, slow exhalation. Slowly stretch the hands above the head. Look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, slowly stretch the hands above the head. Exhale down. Inhale, slowly stretch the hands above the head. Stretch your whole body, stand on your toes. Exhale, bend your hands at elbow. Push your hips down. Inhale, slowly stretch the hands above the head. Stand on your toes. Exhale, down. Inhale, slowly stretch the hands above the head. Exhale, join both the palms in front of the chest. Slowly rotate your shoulder clockwise direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, stretch the hands above the head, look up. Exhale, apart your legs, bend the knees and push your hips down. Inhale, slowly stretch the hands above the head. Open your chest and look up. Exhale down. Inhale, interlock the fingers. Slowly stretch your both hands. Exhale, support your hands back. Slowly bend back. Inhale, slowly interlock the fingers. Stretch your both the hands. Open your rib cage. Stretch maximum. Exhale, bend your knees. Push your hips down maximum. Inhale, slowly stretch your both the hands. Open your rib cage. Exhale down. Inhale, slowly interlock the fingers. Open your rib cage nicely. Exhale, slowly bend back. Hold your calves. Inhale, slowly Stretch the hands above the head. Exhale down. Slowly stretch your both the hands in front of the mat. Hold with normal breathing. Inhale. Slowly interlock the fingers. Stretch your both the hands above the head. Open your chest. Exhale. Bend left. Nicely open your chest and look up. Inhale. Stretch the both hands above the head. Exhale, bend right. Inhale. Stretch your both hands above the head. Exhale, bend left. Inhale. Interlock the fingers. Stretch maximum. Exhale. Bend right. Inhale. Stretch both the hands above the head. Exhale. Bend right as it is. Inhale. Stretch your both the hands. Stretch up maximum. Exhale, bend left as it is. Open your chest and look up. Inhale. Stretch your both hands. Exhale, bend right. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale, bend left. Inhale, stretch maximum. Exhale, slowly rotate your waist clockwise direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Apart your legs 2 to 3 feet apart. Inhale, interlock the fingers. Slowly stretch your both the hands above the head. Nicely open your chest. Exhale. Place your left palms right side of the right heel. Look your right palm. Inhale, slowly come up. Stretch your hands above the head. Nicely open your chest. Exhale, place your right palm besides of left leg. Look your left palm. Inhale, slowly interlock the fingers. Stretch your whole body. Nicely open your chest. Exhale, twist your upper body back. Inhale, open your rib cage. Exhale, inhale, slowly stretch both the hands above the head. Exhale, take your right hand around your back. Slowly hold your right ankle by left hand. Lean back and look up. Inhale, slowly stretch your both the hands above the head. Nicely open your chest and rib cage. Exhale, support your left hand back. Slowly hold left ankle by right hand. Lean back and look up. Inhale, interlock the fingers. Slowly stretch up maximum both the hands. Nicely open your chest. Exhale, left. Inhale, stretch the hands above the head. Exhale, right. Inhale, stretch your both hands above the head. Exhale, bend your right knee at 90 degree. Press your hips down maximum. Inhale, slowly stretch the hands above the head. Exhale, bend your left knee at 90 degree. Press your hips down. Inhale, stretch your hands. Exhale, right. Inhale, stretch your hands. Exhale, left. Inhale, interlock the fingers, stretch up maximum. Exhale, Bend your right knee. Place your left hand on the mat. Nicely open your chest and hips. Inhale slowly. Come up and stretch your both hands above the head. Exhale, bend your left knee. Place your right hand. Support of your left hand. Nicely open up your hips and open your chest. Come to Vajrasana. Namaste.